Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Scotch Plains, New Jersey, just completing a bypass sliding shower enclosure, all in oil bronze hardware. So this is our DK series. Again, this is not a stock item. This is not something off the shelf that's been sitting there for a year and a half. You know who I'm talking about, fellow glass guys. This is fully customizable in the width and also in the height. We don't like to use stock items as we don't have the room for it, is one. And two, you kind of lose the luster of the customization of shower doors. Now originally, shower doors are supposed to be, a custom type of thing because no two showers are alike. And as soon as you start dealing with the stock item stuff, then you have our fellow competitors literally walk into your house and tell you how tall, the glasswork should be. Oh, it's got to be 72, 76, or 78, that's it. We're not like that. Everything we do is custom, made to fit in your enclosure, including your sliders. Our sliders are, again, not stock items. We fabricate them to your specifications, and of course we make recommendations, but we're never locked to anything. Meaning if you want your shower door to be 81 3/4 of an inch tall, that's exactly what you'll get. So I mean, that's pretty much it. It's a simple sliding shower enclosure in all bronze hardware. And if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. I think my face is a little chubby, but oh, my daughter taught me this. Younger.